Today we're gonna do
a Play-Doh!
What kind of Play-Doh is that?
A Play-Doh cupcake.
A Play-Doh cupcakes. And what is this? It's the Play-Doh cupcake tower. Hold on, let's take off the tape. We gotta take off the tape first. Let's see what's inside. Whoa! Can you show us what's inside? How many Play-Dohs come with it? Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 Play-Dohs come with it. And what else comes with it? Show us everything else.
5 because it keeps
You gotta put the tower together, right? Let's see, how do we put this tower together? Okay, let's see. I think you have to put these things in here. So we gotta put these things in here. There's 3 pink things. Wait, Avery. And then, where's this yellow thing? Oh, right here.
In this corner.
And then put the blue one here.
It's a Play-Doh!
What is it? Play-Doh what? Oh, there we go.
Yes.
Wait, then we gotta put this one. Can you put the yellow one first? The other way. Good job. And now what goes on top? Put the pink one on top. Okay. Oh, I don't think that goes there, but that's fine. Good job. And then you have to use the mold to make cupcakes. And then it brings, what's this thing for? Who knows? Oh, that does go there. Good job, Phoenix. That does go there. Look. But I think you put Play-Doh in there. Wait, Bubby. Look, let me show. You put Play-Doh in there, you squeeze it down, and it comes down through here, and you put the cupcake there, so it goes on top of the cupcake. Cool. And then the different plate, a fork, this thing, and where does this go? What's this for? Daddy, where's this for? Let's see. Oh, that's the little plate I guess you put down here. Put this little plate down here. You make the cupcake in the mold. You put the cupcake there, put Play-Doh in there, and squeeze it down. Daddy's going to help you with that part. Okay? Let's open this Play-Doh. And then he wants to make Play-Doh cupcake numbers, so we're going to make numbers to put on top of the cupcakes. Yeah, Mama, I'm going to open it right now. Oh, or you can use that thing by itself, it seems. You can remove it and just use it by itself to make the cupcakes. Oh, here's all the directions. Cool. Okay, here, put it inside the cupcake to make the mold. And these are the ones it came with. And this one, I don't know what plus means. And that one. Here, Avery. Okay, let's put them in here to make a cupcake. Can Mommy show you? Oh, this feels like a little different. I wonder if the plus is like for a certain thing, but look, bud, so we put it in here. Right? And then wait. Close it on top. Press down. Okay. Now, how do we get it out of there? No, but we gotta put. He's so cute. He knows where to put it. Okay, we gotta take this out. All right.
He can get a cupcake.
Okay, we gotta get. Okay, so we got the cupcake out. Put it under there. Go ahead, put the cupcake on. Put it there. Okay. Now let's get.
Now there's holes.
Here, wait. You gotta put Play-Doh in there first. He has seen this. Look, Bubby, you gotta put Play-Doh first. Here, put Play-Doh in there first.
No.
Wait, mommy. Okay, we're gonna put Play-Doh in there. This is so hard to do with one hand. Okay, now push it down so we can see it. Push it with this.
This.
Okay, Avery, your turn's next. Let's see it.
This one.
Whoa!
I'm done. Yeah, because it's so cool.
Okay, that's so cool. I think maybe we should have put more. Okay, Avery, all done. Whoa!
And you Play-Doh cupcakes.
Yeah, there's Play-Doh. Oh,
This is super sweet.
okay. So wait, put it on top of here. I think we had to put more, but
We get the goddamn roller.
yeah, and then
Now
roll it.
it's together.
Here, roll it and let's get a number so we can put it on there. I'm sure this would come out much better if I was doing it with two hands. I think we had to put more in here. And you can take this part out and just use it manually without the tower. Okay, look, let's make a number 1. Do you want to make a number 1? That's fine. Okay, Avery.
Yeah. Oh, there's a cover.
Oh, you need a little more, Bubby. Okay, let's get a little bit more. This plus one, I don't know, it feels a little different.
We're going to cover.
Oh, you want that color?
It's
Okay,
rounded.
let's get that color. Let's put this one back in here. The brown should have been the bottom of the cupcake, but...
Rounded a cupcake.
Okay, here, bud. Let's make the number to put it on top of it.
This one. You could.
This needs to be molded a little more, but...
Cakes.
That's the frosting. Phoenix, what are you doing? Yeah, this is the... Okay, Avery.
Well, since you candy cup, wow.